How to switch to live account on HFM application. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are on HFM Trading App and ready to switch from demo to a live account, then that's an exciting step. First of all, launch open the HFM application on your device and log into your account. Once you are inside this Markets tab, go ahead and tap on the drop down at the top where it shows Demo at the top of the screen. After you do that, you'll see a pop-up where you need to click on Switch to Live. Right after you do that, you'll open up this section, your wallet ID, and then your balance will be shown. Now you can go ahead and tap on the deposit button at the bottom of the screen. If you haven't completed your verification for your account, go ahead and complete that first. Then you'll be able to add funds using your preferred method. Without a deposit, your live account won't be usable for trading, so make sure you make a deposit. And after the deposit is done, you'll be able to enable or switch to live account on HFM. Switching to a live account on HFM Trading App is a big step forward. Take it slow, stay disciplined, and keep learning as you go. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.